Hey folks, today we are going to make black-eyed peas. Great on its own, as a side dish, or as an ingredient within a dish. There are many ways to cook this. This is just one way. Let's get to it. Approximately 2 to 3 hour cooking time depending on heat setting. The liquid will be cooking down, so be mindful to not let the liquid level get too low or it'll burn the peas at the bottom of the pot. I check about every 25 minutes. I'm checking the liquid level, stirring, and adding more water if needed. And voila! Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.